Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript strings. A JavaScript string is 0 or more characters written inside codes. Let me give an example. Let's come in here and type script tag. Within a script tag I'm gonna console log hello world. Hit save and we get log into the console as hello world. You can also come in and type let text equals, I'm gonna cut it from here and paste it here, and let's type in here text, hit save, we get hello world. You can use single or double quotes. Say if I place here single quotes, now if I hit save you get double quotes as well. So as per your requirement you can use single or double quotes interchangeably. Let's say if you want to display double quotes, always put your text inside single quotes, or say if you want to display single quotes, let me put here double quotes and then just remove these double quotes and hit save. Now it displays single quotes as well. You can find the length of the string with, let me delete it for now. You can find the length of the string with built-in length property. Say let length equals text dot length, and now I'm gonna log this length here, hit save, and we get 11 because here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 characters. Space also counts as a character. Let's come in here and discuss another tip here, \escape character. Say I want to type in here or display hello world, how is everyone, and I want to add in here quotes as well. Now if I console log our text, hit save, we get an error, unexpected identifier. To address this issue we can add in here \, and here as well. Now if I hit save we get hello world, how is everyone. This \ actually converts any character to the text. Say if I add in here single quote, you can display the single quote to the log as well. Or say you can now use any of the special characters, say ampersand. If you wanna display the \ as well, just come in here and type \ after \. Hit save and we get \. Let's say you wanna add new line after how, we can come in here and type in here n. Hit save. This \n brings rest of the text in the new line. Alright guys, that was about JavaScript strings. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.